So in this VN Video Editor tutorial, I will be showing you how to reverse a video here on VN Video Editor. So if I were to play my video right here, it's obviously playing in the correct order. If you wanted to reverse this, it's pretty straightforward. Select the video, go to this bottom bar, slide it all the way to the right to where it says reverse, then select that. It'll then process your video right here. It'll take a little bit here, so it's almost done. And once the video has been reversed, which it is right now, if I were to play the video, it's now going to play in reverse order. So the countdown, obviously in this case, is the opposite way. So once again, you can press reverse over here to switch it back. You can press reverse again to switch it back, do what you got to do, and you can play around with the video that way. So that is how you guys can reverse a video here on VN Video Editor. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.